we're looking at partial variation. Under variation, partial variation consists of two or more parts added together. In partial variation, we have two or more parts added together. A typical example of partial variation is when we have something like S is equal to A plus BT. What this simply means is that S is partly constant and partly varies as T. So we say this as S is partly constant and partly varies as T. We also have say R is equal to A plus BV square. This means R is partly constant and partly varies as V square. So in this case, we can see that we have two constants here, A and B, where A and B are constants. We also have say P is equals to AV plus BT square. In this case, we can say P partly varies as V and partly varies as T square. So P here partly varies as V and partly varies as T square, where A and B are constants. Where A and B are constants. And this constant A and B are to be found separately. A and B are to be found separately. Unlike joint variation and direct variation, which has just one constant, inverse variation has one constant. For partial variations, we have two constants which are to be found independently. So we'll see how we can solve questions involving partial variation in our next video.